found it. Took me 30 minutes, but I found it. I'm replacing a relay from my welder that went thermonuclear a few days ago. And while I don't do commercial work around here, projects are starting to pile up. Knowing where to go to find what you need to support your equipment is a key element in keeping that equipment producing for you and your company. Your design tools are no different. Let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Get a bigger shop, they said. It'd be fun, they said.
There are a ton of tools and resources to support SOLIDWORKS available online. Let's have a look at these resources that be used in a typical organization. On one hand, we have users, and on the other, we have administrators. Starting with users, the first resource we have is a customer portal, your one-stop shop for technical tools and resources. Here you can download SOLIDWORKS, submit a software enhancement request, and search both the SOLIDWORKS knowledge base and user forums for answers to common questions. The next location for user-based resources and tools is my.solidworks. Here you can brush up on your SOLIDWORKS skills with individual self-guided lessons, or take full-blown e-courses to immerse yourself in a new tool or technology. Here, you can also interface with other SOLIDWORKS users and vendors to exchange 3D CAD models and connect with your local value-added reseller. Moving over to the administrator, we start with the admin portal available through my.solidworks. Here you can monitor all of your organization's SOLIDWORKS assets, invite members to the account, and manage asset assignments to specific users. Finally, we have the CAD Admin Dashboard available through the admin portal. Here you can review machine-specific details for each of your users, review hardware status, and monitor for performance issues, giving you insight into areas of potential productivity improvements before they become problems. There's a ton of support resources available to you as a SOLIDWORKS user. Knowing where to go and how to find that information is key to maximizing your effectiveness and limiting downtime. Guys, I hope you found that video useful. If you did, hit the subscribe button down below to be kept up to date with the latest in SOLIDWORKS news from MLC CAD systems. If you want to learn more about maximizing the value from your SOLIDWORKS investment, reach out to your local MLC CAD systems representative. And as always, thanks for watching.